privilege to have risen on this year's theme of women, the fight against corruption. African Women would like to mark 2018 as the African Anti-Corruption Year. We agree a sustainable path to African transformation relies on winning the battle against the intelligent and corrosive corrupt practices and their perpetrators. The African continent is the richest, yet our people are the poorest. The majority of our country's citizens still rely on foreign aid. This is not sustainable and will keep us dependent. One of the key challenges and opportunities to end poverty and conflict is to tackle corruption correctly and purposefully. To achieve this goal, we must meaningfully cooperate in this